Here's something you've done 1,000 times without ever asking why. You chop, slice, or dice an onion, and suddenly your eyes are burning. Why does this happen? It's not just onions, by the way, it's leeks, garlic, and chives too. But let's focus on the poor onion for now. So what actually happened in there? The short answer, tiny chemical warfare. When you cut an onion, you release a gas called syn-propanethial-S-oxide into the air. It's created when an enzyme called lachrymatory-factor synthase reacts with sulfenic acid. This gas is super potent and can cause your eyes to water in seconds. But why do we react to this gas in the first place? The answer lies in our biology. You see, when syn-propanethial-S-oxide binds to a protein in your eye called lacrimal, it triggers the release of tears, and lots of them. It's like your eyes are saying, hey, we've got an intruder here. Let's get rid of it with some water.